If you're planning to make music videos this year, these are the 5 things that will help you to cut the budget of your music video and you end up shooting so many music videos this year. So let's jump right into the video and share with you some wisdom about music videos. Number 1 is the story. Guys, if you think about the story, at least under your story, make sure that you're talking about or maybe including things that are not all that expensive. Do not think about the airplane, someone is in an airplane, someone is in a bank, someone is living in an expensive hotel, someone is... Forget a story that really has so many expensive things. Think about a story and stuff that can really go into your budget. And number 2 is location. When you think about location, when you're starting out or maybe you're on budget, forget about all the expensive places. How do you do that? Make sure that you're moving around, scouting places. Take your time to look for places. Trust me, you will find places that do not cost a lot of money. But if you just want to do a music video just because someone did a video from the other hotel that has been opened up, you'll end up being charged a lot of money because those places are expensive. So make sure that you're looking out for places that you can afford, so long as they give you a nice view. If maybe you're not sure about what place can give you a nice view, make sure that you're moving with the director of your music video. And then number 3 is prop. When it comes to props or maybe the things that we use in a video, if you're not aware about props, please leave a comment down below. I will make a video to dedicate it specifically for props. But props simply mean things that we interact with, maybe a phone or maybe a camera, things that the artist is going to play with in a video. So the props are also another thing that you need to consider when you're looking at ways how you can cut your budget. At least make sure that you're including things that are not expensive in your video. Trust me, this will help you to enjoy the journey of creating music videos. And then number 4 is equipment. Equipment, when it comes to equipment include lights, include cameras, include the dolly, all the things that the production crew uses, those are equipments. So make sure that at least you're using things that you can afford, not just maybe talking about the dream cameras like I want to use Red, I want to use Ali Alexa Mini, I want to use Blackmagic. Like I hear so many people talking about Blackmagic. Yes, you want that expensive camera, but your budget does not allow you to use that camera. And the good thing today is that we have so many cameras on market that can give you almost the same quality that you're looking for in those fancy cameras. So if you're starting out, make sure that you look into equipment because it is very important. Equipments almost take up half of the budget. And then number 5 is the director. The director that you're going to use for your music video is also something that you need to consider, because if you're going for someone that already has a name, that is working with those big artists out there and is the one that you want to make your music video, trust me, is going to charge you some good money because he has been there, he has so many people, he has so many things on his plate. So my friend, the pro tip that I can give you here is that look for people who are starting out, so long as they can do something that is really good. And the good thing when it comes to music video, someone is not going to lie to you that I do good work, I do good stuff. This, you can ask them at least some samples. You go through their samples and see the work that I've been creating for other artists. And then if the work is really good, why not sign up such a director? So my friend, make sure that you're going for people who are starting out, people who are looking for clients. At least when they are starting out, they are not all that expensive because they are trying to grow their client base. Hope these 5 things help you to get started on your journey of creating music videos. Just in case maybe there is something you want me to dig deeper, at least leave a comment down below. I will do my best to answer each and every question. Thank you for watching this video till the end. As always, do not forget, guys, that the kingdom of heaven is near. So what we have to do is to repent. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.